Kenny is a wholesaler out of Nigeria that got his first 3 deals from learning wholesaling real estate at my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. And what I want to do is give you a breakdown of my conversation with Kenny, where he broke down how he got 3 deals, and we kind of talked and did a coaching call here on how I can help him in his wholesaling business. I think it was really inspirational to hear Kenny's story, wholesaling in Nigeria. He actually had to call me at 4 a.m. so you can go out here and take action of your life and become successful. So without further ado, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Oh, Zach.
How are you? Is it Kenny?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, how do I say your name?
Kenny.
Kenny. Perfect. What's up, man? How are you?
Yeah, I'm perfectly well. Thanks very much. You've been absolutely amazing. This is actually my first time I'm calling. I'm calling from Nigeria, actually.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. It's like 4 a.m. here in Nigeria.
Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jack. You've been absolutely amazing. You've actually changed my life a whole lot. You know, all that I've been learning from you and your dad. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Of course,
yeah,
man.
Yeah. Just a quick one. I've got this seller that's interested, and I've been doing a whole lot of cold callings and all that. And I've got this seller in Merritt Island, Florida, that's interested and that wants to sell 6.22 acres of land in Indian River, close to the river, really. So I just want to see how we can JV together and work that out. I've not got it on the contract yet, so but I just want to find out, you know, what's the how I can navigate through the negotiations and all that, because you say you want to sell it for like $950,000. So I just want to find out the cost, you know, the comms and all that, and how I can be able to navigate through the negotiation.
Yeah, Merritt Island's a decent area, dude. It's not terrible. I don't want to. Don't tell me. Don't. There's too many people watching this, but if you go to the Brevard County Property Appraiser and search the address, do you know what it's zoned for?
Yeah, it's zoned for residential. They say they've got a development plan for 4 plots.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. This seems like a decent deal. I gotta look at it and just see. I mean, I got some land developers, people I know up there, but Merritt Island's weird. You know, it's either really good or bad. I was gonna buy a $2 million deal I was gonna flip there, but it didn't work out there. But Merritt Island's interesting, man. If you want to shoot me over an email at support@flipwithrick.com, the address, that's pretty secure email to send it through, and I can look at it and send you back what I think of it. Don't be offended if I say it's just not a deal.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to look at it and.
Right.
I'm gonna have to probably personally look at it because it's such a weird property and just see if it's good or not. I'll probably shoot it over to the buyers and just they can let me know what they think about it. They're my best guys, so they won't do anything bad about anything, and they just give me a price and I can give it back to you.
That would be absolutely amazing. I actually tried to send these through support at Flip with Rick, but you know I didn't get any response. Do you want me to resend it and then
tell me and then I can look? I get too many emails there, and so
right,
if you tell me I can go there, I can search it.
I reckon.
I'm not looking at it.
I reckon that. Do you want me to put a particular subject? What exactly do you want me to put as a subject so you'll be able to know exactly?
Deal.
Absolutely.
I'll remember it. I'll check it after the stream.
Okay, Sam. I'll do that right away. Thank you so
Have
very
you done
much.
any wholesaling deals yet?
Yes, I've done. But now I want to do a little bit more than, you know, the scanty once in a while deal. So I want to do more. So that's why I'm doing a whole lot. I'm doing a whole lot of government leads now. Yeah, because I'm focused more on Florida. So a whole lot of government leads, and then the probate. Yeah, I do pre-foreclosure as well. And I've got some arrests as well that I'm working on. So I'm very, 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 very focused on government leads. I've got PropStream as well, but most of my leads are coming from government leads.
How many deals have you done?
Okay, I've done like 3. But I can do more than that.
Dude, that's amazing, bro. That's awesome. Congratulations. It's inspirational, man. Like I've been telling everybody on this channel, nobody realizes this, but Nigeria is almost the same population as the United States. They all speak English, and they're all way more driven than Americans. I have Nigerian immigrants that come in that I know. They're so more driven. They're way more driven than any guys I know. And if they just put their efforts into wholesaling, it's game over. I tell you, man. And so we have I mean, our biggest country in Africa that watches this, Nigeria, hands down. It's just
True.
so big, dude. And they all speak English. And so I'm trying to let everyone know, like I want to help everyone. But, I think it's inspirational if someone from Nigeria is watching you and they're like, hey, if Kenneth can do it, I can do it. And
Thank you so much.
check out the Facebook group. There's about 4 or 5 Nigerians I know. Some of them are expatriates, but they're all doing really well. And they have a kind of a close-knit community. It's kind of cool. So that's awesome, man. Check it out in the wholesaling group. But dude, that's inspirational, man. I love it.
I mean, thank you so much. I'm in the group, so I'll check them out.
Awesome, man. Cool, dude. Well, let me know if you got any questions. You can always hop on here. I definitely remember you. And keep it up.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah. God bless you.
Awesome.
Bye-bye. I'm
telling you guys that people from Nigeria are going to just dominate wholesaling. Guys got to be careful. There's over 300 million people. 230 or 300? 213 million, but their population probably surpassed the United States.